Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a video editor that has completely changed the way we create content. If you're a content creator, a student, or just someone who loves making cool videos, you need to check out CapCut for PC. It's free, packed with powerful AI tools, and honestly, one of the easiest editing platforms out there. We actually edit our own videos using CapCut, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. No more clunky interfaces, no more wasting hours figuring out how to do simple things. CapCut makes editing smooth, efficient, and fun, whether you're working on a short clip or a full production. And with all the recent updates loaded with AI features, it's on another level. So let's break down why this software is making waves and why you should start using it right now. CapCut stands out from other clunky and complicated video editors because it's simple, flexible, and easy to learn while still offering powerful tools for all levels of creators. It works seamlessly across desktop, laptop, browser, and phone, letting you edit anywhere without restrictions. Plus, it comes with a massive trendy material library filled with stock assets, sound effects, and filters, making content creation easier than ever. Now, let's talk about the AI features that take editing to the next level. One of my personal favorites is the background remover. No green screens, no manual masking, just one click and boom, your subject is isolated. Then there's automatic captions, which generate text in seconds, saving a ton of time for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. Unlike pro-level software that feels overwhelming, CapCut is designed for ease of use. Drag and drop clips, apply effects with a single click, and use a clean, straightforward timeline. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the workflow is smooth and efficient. Another killer feature is that CapCut isn't just for PC. You can edit on your phone, in your browser, and everything syncs seamlessly. Start on your laptop, tweak it on your phone, and finish on your desktop effortlessly. And with its built-in stock library, finding copyright-free content is easy. No more digging through random websites for assets. Everything you need is right there. Now let's go over the newest features. Text-to-speech and AI voice translation are major additions. You can convert any text into natural-sounding speech with different voice styles and even translate video audio into multiple languages instantly. Auto captions are another game changer, automatically recognizing and generating subtitles in seconds with customizable styles like animated, emoji, and glowing captions. Then there's AI packaging. This feature analyzes auto captions and matches effects like keyword highlights and sound effects, saving you tons of time manually syncing them. And of course, the caption translator builds on auto captions, enabling quick and accurate translations across multiple languages for global reach. The editing process is smooth and beginner-friendly, and it works across multiple platforms. Plus, if you love trendy effects, transitions, and filters, CapCut's library has you covered. Overall, if you want a powerful AI-driven editor that's free, simple, and packed with creative tools, CapCut is the way to go. Whether you're making YouTube videos, social media content, or even professional promo materials, this software has everything you need. If you haven't tried CapCut yet, go check it out and see for yourself. Click the link in the description. It's available on the web, mobile, and PC, making it super convenient to use across different platforms. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. Have you used CapCut before? What's your favorite feature? Let's chat. See you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, as you can see, this whole video was edited using CapCut. It took me less than 5 minutes to edit everything. Simply by using drag and drop, I move around the footage, synchronize it in seconds, create captions automatically using AI, and add those amazing transitions. And it works. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to try CapCut.